row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. I'm glad that no one is absent for today, so give yourself 5 claps already. Now bring out all your notebook and check your assignment. Pass it forward. What is our lesson yesterday, class? Very good. And what is imperative? Very good. I'm going to play a video here and I want you to watch and learn. Sit back and enjoy.
A noun is a naming word. 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 A thing like a donkey or a car or your teeth. A person like a teacher or your dad's baby. A place like a church where you might have a sing. A noun is a person or a place or a thing. A noun is a naming word. 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 A thing like a cloud or a tree or a cat. A person like a doctor or your mum's name pat. A place like a park where there might be a swing. A noun is a person or a place or a thing. A noun is a naming word. A noun is a naming word. A noun is a naming word. A noun is a naming word.
Okay, class, based on our video, what do you think is our new topic for today? Anyone? Yes, Marie? Very good. It's all about the noun. And what is noun? Very good. A naming words. Now, please read our learning objectives for today. Okay, class, now that you have an idea on our topic for today, let us sort the following images. Let's check if your classmates' answers are correct. Is it a group of person? Very good. And our next group, is it a group of a place? Very good. And for our last group, is it a group of things? Very good. Now that you know how to identify the nouns, let us have our activity. Check the box if the noun are person, place, or things. And do not put a check if you determine that there are no nouns are included. Now let us check. Exchange paper with your seatmate and write collected by. Who wants to answer number 1? Yes, Argel? Is Argel answer correct? Yes, because cat and pens is a thing. Who wants to answer number 2? Yes, Marie? Is Marie answers are correct? Yes, because a girl is a person while a scooter is a thing. For our third number, who wants to answer? Yes, Rich? Is Rich answer is correct? Very good. Because a fisherman is a person, a fish is a thing, while the lake is a place. Who wants to answer number 4? Yes, Maricar? Is Maricar answer are correct? Let us check. A friend is a person. Question are not included. Teacher is a person. School is a place. Very good. For our number 5, will you please answer Marjorie? Let us check if Marjorie Okay, now class, who got a perfect score of 5? 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now class, let's have a group activity. Complete the table using the sentence below. Are you done, class? Now let us check if your answers are correct. Exchange paper with your seatmate and write corrected by. For our first column, Coco Martin is a person. Philippines is a place. While the thing is the award. For our second column, the girl is a person. Beach is a place, while the goggles is a thing. And our third column, Anna is a person, the market is a place, chocolate, ice cream is a thing. And our fourth column, Mark is a person, Baguio is a place, pine trees are an example of things. For our last column, mother is a person, church is a place, and wallet is for the thing. Who got a perfect score of 15? 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 below, 9. Okay, now class, let's have an activity 2. All you have to do is encircle the person, the place, and a thing, or the noun in a sentence. Exchange paper with your seatmate and write corrected by. Are you done, class? Now let us check. On our number 1, on our first number, Alex is a person, Tom is also a person, Peter and Simon is a person, and then the cake is a thing. On our third number, Phil is a place. And our fourth number, baby is a person, and for the last number, park for places. Okay, now class, what is in the picture? Very good. That is one example of how important the names are. Even in place, every name of streets are important. Even in things, every name of things surrounds us. We can never recognize if we don't know what is the name of it. Okay class, what is our topic for today? Yes, Argel? Very good. And then what is a noun? Very good. For our last activity, complete the table by writing what is missing per group. Pick on the words below. And for our letter B, write your name and define how important it is. Exchange paper with your seatmate and write corrected by. All you have to do is answer or correct the first letter A question. Okay class, exchange paper with your seatmate and write corrected by. Are you done, class? Fast forward the papers and I'm going to check the letter B. Who got the perfect score of 15? 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 10 and below? None? Okay, class? For our assignment, bring out our notebook and copy. Are you done, class? Okay. Pick up all the piece of paper under your table. Are you done?